Well, good morning. In today's vlog, we are going to be using my brand new iPhone. So we're going to be vlogging today with the iPhone 11 Pro. And I'm having my morning coffee this morning, getting everything started the right way. And we're going to go get a haircut, and I'm going to vlog all day today on the iPhone to give you guys a perspective of what this camera can do. Okay, so right now we are vlogging with the selfie side camera, the front side camera, or rear side. I don't know what side they call it, but where you take a selfie. That's a camera that we're vlogging with. All right, car on. So I'm gonna reverse the camera to give you guys a look at what the stabilization would be like if you're using not the selfie side camera, but the other side, the front side camera, and how it looks filming that way. One of the big differences with this camera is that whenever you are filming, not the selfie side, but if you're filming on the other side of the camera, you can change the perspective 3 different ways. It gives you the wide angle, normal, or like a macro super view. And you can do it right on the fly as you are filming. So that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and try that now. All right, so we're stopped at a stoplight. This is the normal view. This is a up close view. Go back to normal view, and now here's the wide. And that's done all on the go as you are filming. Okay, so I am here at our barber shop. This guy's really cool. Here's a little fun fact about this barber shop. This is where Luke Perry used to get his haircut when he lived in this town.
A few moments later.
Okay, haircut complete. Look at that bad boy. This guy does a good job. He's my new barber, but I like what he does. He takes his time and makes it look good. Then again, I don't have a whole lot of hair where they can mess up. I love having a rear camera to back up with and see what's behind me. All right, so here's the thing with vlogging with an iPhone, especially every generation that comes out. They make the cameras better with every new release, and they're so good that, especially when you're filming vlogs or making little videos, that if you're not a big, tech guru, vlogging with a phone, filming with your phone, recording is perfectly fine. You don't need a DSLR camera. You don't need a fancy, Canon, Nikon. You really don't even need a GoPro. Sometimes that's kind of a splurge whenever I'm using my GoPro. But you can make videos right here on your phone, and they are high quality. And I am pretty impressed with the way that this one has done with just a few snapshots I've taken in the couple days that I've owned it, and the video quality that it takes. Apple does a good job. All right, I'm here at work. Here's another little tidbit of information. Recently, I switched insurance companies, and I am with Progressive, and they have that thing that you stick underneath your car, and it judges your speed. And if you brake too hard or stop suddenly or too fast, it beeps and it keeps track of that, and it just did it again. So I don't know if they're going to raise my insurance, lower it. I don't know what they were going to do, but I've been finding that I'm doing that about every other day. See that thing right there? That's the thing you plug into your car, and they gauge your speed and your traffic and how you drive, all on that little device. Okay, so some of you guys who don't follow me on a normal basis, I'm a youth pastor, and I work here at a church, and I'm getting ready to start a new lesson series that's called Coffee with Jesus. And it's going to be a 4-week series where I'm teaching these kids a Jesus story over the course of 4 weeks and relate it with coffee somehow. But I need to make some coffee. I'm using our Bun coffee maker here. and I'm going to do a game where they have to dip a cup of coffee in and pass the coffee cup down, and try to fill up this bucket at a certain line. But I'm working on that right now, and then dive into the actual lesson series of what I'm going to teach them. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing a little bit today. Okay, so I watched back a few of those clips that I just took, and holy cow, the stabilization, even on the selfie side camera, not counting the rear side, both sides, the stabilization is insane. I'm loving it. Okay, so I need to get some more coffee. Take a look at this mug that I'm using. This thing is humongous. You put a lot of coffee in this thing, and it keeps it nice and hot. So I'm gonna go refill that. And this vlog video was just kind of a short introduction to what this camera can do. So I wanted to give you guys just a little glimpse of it. It's not gonna be a full-blown vlog of me going on an adventure or anything, but hopefully give you a little bit of an idea of what the new iPhone looks like if you're just vlogging it in everyday use. So if this is your first time watching my videos, make sure you subscribe. I got more vlogs coming, and if you're a regular, thanks for watching again. I'll see you guys in the next one.